Namaskar. I am Professor A.B. Patil. Today I am going to introduce 12th Science Mathematics because class 12 is one of the most crucial time of a student's academic life because the result of HSC will decide your future for further studies. Along with the other subjects, scoring good marks in class 12 mathematics is also important because in every step of our life we need mathematics because mathematics is a God-made language to understand by the man-made language. So in this way, as you know that for mathematics 12th standard there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Now there is club, section 1 and section 2. In paper 1 there are total 9 topics: mathematical logic, matrices, trigonometric functions, pair of straight lines, vectors, three-dimensional geometry, line, plane and linear programming. Out of which mathematical logic has 8 marks. So if you calculate, out of 48 is nothing but 20% marks only for the mathematical logic. And those who able to understand English, he will find comfortable, he will be in comfortable zone for maths in the mathematical statistics, mathematical logic. The first word that statement, because logic is a science of accurate reasoning. The extract will give you the answer whether it is true or false. And it is symbolic language. Instead of explaining the whole concept in big language, big paragraph, you can write in short. That's why it is abstract also. Logic has its own vocabulary. And that vocabulary or mathematical logic we are going to understand in this topic. Just like in literature, sentence is the composed of all meaningful words. Similarly, in mathematics, that is quite modified, that declarative sentence or assertive sentence, which is either true or false or both not both at a time. It is only true or false. That's why logic is used in logic circuits also. You know that when electric current passing through the circuit, it will be either on or off, not at a time both. And therefore, mathematically, the on can be represented by 1 and off can be represented by 0. So 0 and 1. So it is useful in binary number system also. Therefore, statement is a declarative sentence which is either true or false, not both at a time, is called a statement. The truthness of the statement are known as truth values of the statement, and which is denoted by true, that is T, and false, that is F. These are the truth values of a sentence. For example, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is a statement and its truth value is T. every equilateral triangle is equiangular triangle. It is also statement which is a true. A natural number is an integer. It is also statement and a true. 4 plus 5 is 9. It is a statement and a true. 4 is an odd number. It is statement which is a false. Thus, we should remember interrogative, exclamatory, order, request, command and suggestion. These cannot be defined statement in the mathematics. For example, 6 into 4 is equal to 25. 6 into 4 is 25. It is a statement and which is a false. Second, x plus 6 is equal to 9. Now we don't know what is the value of x. If we take x is equal to 3, then it will be true. If we take other than 3, it will be false. So these statements sometimes true, sometimes false, which does not give the clear truth value. So these type of statements are called open statement. These statements are called open statement. Next, what are you doing? What are you doing? It is an interrogative statement. So it is also not a statement in the mathematics. Next, please sit down. You are requesting. It is not a statement. The moon revolves around the earth. It is a statement and its truth value is T. He is honest. So you are keeping your opinion. He is honest. Opinion is giving. Output is not fixed. Therefore, it is also not a statement. So conclusion that the mathematical statement is a declarative sentence or assertive sentence which is either true or false. Otherwise, it is not a statement. Got it? Is it clear? Okay. Now, logical connectives. Now, this is a simple statement. You know that there are number of statements can be clubbed together. That is called a compound statement. And these compound statements connected by the logical connective. These are and, which is denoted by CAF, or which is denoted by V, not, it is this symbol, if, then will be represented by single sided arrow, if and only if it is connected by double sided arrow. These are the logical connectives which are going to use to define compound statements. Now I am going to introduce types of compound statements. First, negation. Compound statements which is obtained by the logical connective not. It is called a negation. P, not P. The truth values are T, F. This is F and T. Truth value is very important. Now I am giving here how the truth values are formed. This is